channel. This is Vinny here, and during this MCO period, I believe some of you may have some ideas of wanting to start some online business or even thinking to sell something online. But the next thing comes into your mind is like how to start, who should look for, what to say. So if this is something that in your mind right now, then this is a video that you should be continue watching, because I'll be sharing with you 3 tips on how to actually kickstart your sales immediately. So for some of you who are more visual and you want to read it through, please register at the link below. I will send you the e-copy of the versions and also some details of what we're going to discuss today. So let's check out further. Tips number 1, have the right intentions. So make sure that the product that you're selling is here to help the customer to solve certain problem. Before jumping into selling your product, you need to believe that existence of the product is here to solve the problems that exist in the customer itself. So the value is very important when it comes into any purchase. It is not just about the cost value, but it's also on the hedonic values of the product itself. So sincerity matters, and this cannot be fake. And if the product exists merely just to for individuals to make money, the customer will feel it. So make sure that you have the right intentions, and the customer will definitely feel your sincerity. Tips number 2, identify your target group. So focus your energies on your target group. Don't try to reach out to everyone. If you always have the mindset that your product is for everybody, and you will end up selling to nobody. Why do I say so? Because every product is designed to cater specific needs or problems. For instance, if you are essential oil providers, the product may seem like for everybody, but it also has specific functions that cater to a specific group of people. For example, the mom or even the working adults. So be it who are they, you have to make sure you identify it, and so that you will be able to reach out to the right customers and deliver the effective sales pitch. Tips number 3, just do it. When you have the right intention and also identify your right target group itself, the next thing is just do it, because quantity is better than quality. It's only when the more person you reach out to, you will know better whether if this product is suitable for the target group that you have identified. Just like my videos over here, I wouldn't know who will I reach out to until I really start to sit down and then record the video, do the editing wise itself. So I'd like you today to step up from your comfort zones and start making your first sales call today, and share with me your thoughts and also what do you take away from your first call at the comment sections below, and all the best. There goes the 3 sales tips I'd like to share for today. For those of you who love what you have just watched, feel free to share and like, as well as subscribe to my channel. So for those of you who stay to the very end of the video, there's one freebies for you. Feel free to actually click on the link in the descriptions, and I will send you a e-copy and also the starter kits for you to really kickstart on start doing your sales today. So what are you waiting next? Click subscribe!